Chevy gang, we're out here, guys. There's the Equinox. Bam! There's the box and the Trap Blazer. Trap Blazer is lit up, guys. Check it out. Alright guys, I'm out here whipping around and zooming around. You're probably wondering what is going on, how am I doing it? Well, we got this all lit up back there, and what better to zoom around on while I have my camera? Then that's right, guys. Hoverboard. We grabbed the RG. That's funny. That's right, guys. RGB hoverboard. This is right. We're gonna be doing Trap My Ride in the summer from the hoverboard. We got an RGB color change hoverboard to match the Trap Blazer. We're gonna get another one, so there's two in the back. We're just gonna wire up the chargers in the back of the block bully to plug them in. When you're ready to roll out, we'll just roll out on the hoverboards. These things are great, guys. It's actually pretty difficult to do. Man, oh man, we'll get dizzy. This is my favorite thing. But that's what it is, guys. We'll be riding around like McFly. RGB hoverboard. That's right. We picked that up from one of the Mopar No Car guys, Jonathan. I know he still represents the Chevy gang. He's out there. He's doing it. But we picked this up on the low trap prices. Definitely cool, and definitely a great addition to the block bully here. Let's get it moved up. Alright guys, here we go. We're gonna go for a little ride on the hoverboard. Since we're showing it off, might as well go for a little ride. It's like powered roller skates, kind of. It's very simple to ride. Like, you would think it would be a bit more difficult just because of just the way it looks, but it's actually really very simple. I picked it up within just minutes, really. You just stand on it and balance it. Getting on and off of it, for me, were the hardest ones. The part that I learned last, and kind of like going backwards like this. Like, that's a little difficult. And actually standing completely still is difficult, but not impossible. But I still seem to rock a little bit back and forth. But if you tilt your right foot forward, the right wheel goes forward. If you tilt your right foot backwards, the right wheel goes backwards. And same for the left. So if you want to go forward, both feet forward, and if you want to go backwards, both feet backwards. A couple different ways you can turn left or right. You can just pivot your right foot forward, and that usually seems to do the trick. Wider turning radius, and to turn left the same way. But what you can do is take your right foot, point it forward with your left foot pointed backwards, and that will tilt you on an axis. Woo, and you turn really sharp. And that's a bit difficult to get used to, but once you do, it is a lot of fun. One of my favorite things to do on the hoverboard is just to spin in circles. Whoa, that's an airplane, and I'm dizzy now. There it is. Oh shit. Oh wow, there it is. Crazy. Everybody stay tuned and check us out, because we're going to be out next year doing the same thing. We're getting stored away for the summer. All the content, all the fun we had, we get to look back over it all, show after show, through the winter months. So as it cools down, guys, and you're bored, you're stuck inside, you don't know what to do, come right here. This is the place to be, because we had a great summer. We're going to plan for another great summer ahead. Hopefully all this Rona stuff will be gone, and we can plan a Trap My Ride tour. And I'm telling you guys, once we go on tour, it's like living like a rock star, man. We're going to blow up, and I want to take these guys with me to all the places I go. So next year, we're all going on tour. Every weekend, a new place. Every weekend, a new face. That's definitely for sure. So hopefully we'll have a lot of fun. We'll go to the car meets, the cruises, anything we can. I'll take pictures, little video clips of anything we catch. So stay here, stay posted. It's definitely going to be lit, guys. And like I said, thank you everybody that's joined in this year and supported and helped and made the page grow. I can't say it enough. Thank you. You guys are what make this. I can't say that enough. So every chance and every opportunity I get, I want to entertain you, and I want to give back. So stay tuned for some more cool giveaways. Lots of cool footage. We're growing. Definitely stay tuned, guys. Stay posted. There's still a lot to come. Trap My Ride and the Chevy Gang. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, hit the like, share, subscribe. If you're here just watching the videos, make sure you tell everybody and I can hear it. Here comes this airplane again. Let's get it on the camera, guys. That's crazy, right over top of us. I bet you that is an amazing ride tonight. But what a beautiful, beautiful night for a ride like that. Definitely so. Here in northern Indiana, Napa, Indiana, Elkhart County, that's where we're at tonight, guys, on the Equinox. Good night, guys. Chevy gang, try my ride.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.